In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Hubspot with Shopify. To begin, sign into your Hubspot account. Before you go further, make sure you have the right permissions. You will need to be a super admin or have access to the app marketplace in order to install and connect apps. If those permissions are not available on your account, the integration options may not appear. Once you are inside Hubspot, look to the top right navigation bar and find the marketplace icon. It looks like a small storefront or house. Click that icon to open the menu, then choose App Marketplace from the drop-down. This will take you to the area where Hubspot integrations and connected tools are managed. In the App Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Shopify. From the results, select the official Shopify Data Sync app by Hubspot. It is important to choose the correct app so your data connection is set up properly and you are working with the official integration. After the app page opens, go to the upper right corner and click Install App. Hubspot will then prompt you to enter your Shopify store URL. Type in your unique Shopify store address carefully, since this is what Hubspot uses to connect to the correct store. Once that is entered, click Connect to Shopify to continue. At this point, a new browser tab or redirected page will open and take you to Shopify. If you are not already signed into your Shopify admin account, log in when prompted. After that, Shopify will show you the permissions that Hubspot is requesting. Take a moment to review these permissions so you understand what information and actions the integration will be allowed to access. If everything looks correct, click Install to approve the connection and grant Hubspot access to your Shopify store. This is the final confirmation step that allows the integration to complete successfully. Once the connection is approved, you will be redirected back to your Hubspot settings interface automatically. This confirms that Hubspot and Shopify are now connected through the official Data Sync app. As a quick tip, if the redirect takes a moment, just wait for the page to finish loading rather than refreshing right away. That helps avoid interrupting the connection process. That covers everything you need to know.